Hello everyone, welcome back and happy to see you on Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to access or find full Instagram effects in stories and gallery on iPhone and iPad. Today's video is all about to access the full gallery of filters, effects for Instagram without that someone else will send you the effects. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, launch Instagram and tap on your stories. Now we can use the effects by scrolling here, but I am going to show you how to access full Instagram effects. We just have to tap on the bottom and a pop-up window will appear, and we have to tap on Browse Effects. Here we go. This is the effect gallery of Instagram. If we want to tap Instagram, tap on Instagram. That Instagram will show all the effects. Now go back and tap on selfie. Now this page will appear and show you all selfie effects. Go back, same like that, the love effects, color and light effects. Use one of them, which one you like it. After watching this video, I hope you all know how to access full Instagram effects on iPhone and iPad. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.